see the tie wrap is touching the mold, you hear that sizzle. So instead of the disc, pour, worried if it's all in there or not, and then pour again. So you just, this is basically your setup there. That's it. That's and you know, so the disc is in the bottom because this is all self-contained. Okay. Now with the actual igniter, it has a safety trigger. Okay, so of safety, so you can you know, press while it's closed, but it also has a countdown feature in case you forgot something, right? Or coworker's like, oh, you know, you forgot to whatever, da da da, or you're using the wrong material. So you just stick this in here, tap. See, and this is what I mean. So now you're like, you know, 6 feet instead of whatever distance it is, right? So again, you go fire in the hole. 3, 2, 1. Up. Re-engage. 3, 2, 1. You have a dud. Time. That we'll do another one. Basically, what that was is that I didn't have the sleeve completely inside the actual electronic igniter. So again, it's not that you have a bad what's it called, shot. It's just a matter of just repositioning everything, you know. That was actually good too to show you guys, right, that the troubleshooting that you could do on the site before calling somebody and throwing material away, right? It's just minor details. So with this, we're gonna wait until the sun goes down a little bit. The cup itself on the sides is made out of graphite. So you'll see when I open it, the cup on the side is gonna be still intact. The bottom will be melted off because that's the actual steel disc that's in there. Actually, this is probably ready.
How much is the cup size?
Say again?
How much is the cup size have?
The cups can run, you know, depending on the size of it, you know, it varies, but just like your 115 or 150, they're probably 20, 25 bucks a pop, roughly, give or take. Yeah.
So again, the other one you saw like it completely was like destroyed. This is only the bottom is destroyed. Right? Just to speed up the process here, and not to actually do it.
And then the shots, the Bluetooth and then the electronic style, they're going to cost the same. You go to Supply House, there's not a premium for it. Your investment, the premium that you're going to pay for that is the igniter tool. When you pay up front to have that tool that does that, you know, to make it a little safer, to make it easier, that's going to be, and they're 120, 140 bucks, something like that. And they run on AA batteries, or we have an adapter you can stick your Milwaukee battery on it. So it lasts forever.